Militaire Zoe, my friend, you know, he said, I have to come. You know, and I come today, I see you. I must say you're amazing. I love the vibe. Now you see this guy here?
I admire you and I honor you.
Oh, thank you so much. And I'm going to win some money. But before we do this, you see this guy?
Who, him?
Yeah, you see this guy?
See
now, tell them.
This guy's the shit.
How old was you when I come to your hood?
Yo, this nigga used to come to my shit when I was like a kid. Me and my little brother, we was like, I was like 9, going to like free lunch. They had like a school coach, we was going to like free lunch in the summertime. They just was coming through, showing love, viral. Labor days, all type of days. It was different.
Fuck that. We going viral.
Fuck that, we going viral. I ain't going front. Wyclef, I used to look at Wyclef like,
cap.
Like, you feel me? Like that's dreams like I wanted to do. Like, know what I mean?
So hold on one day. So that's where that viral shit came from. 9 years old, you been going viral?
9 years old, he was going viral. Nigga, he was coming through going viral.
He was different.
9 years old,
no cap.
Okay, by myself, no parents.
5 years old, this nigga was going viral.
Yeah.
God, Elizabeth fashion.
Bow!